Hi everybody, it's Brad Wood here. I have a super short video for you today. I am working on a new module as part of CommandBox 4.0 and it's called CommandBox Bullet Train, and I was about to use the package link and unlink commands, which are pretty new, and I figured it'd be a really good opportunity just to record a quick video showing you how I use these. So package link and unlink are used when you're writing modules for CommandBox. You can use it for any module like a CommandBox app, but the default out-of-the-box behavior is for CommandBox modules. And the problem what I have here is I have a new module I'm working on, and I've got the code set up here in Builder. I've got the repository created, and I really haven't done any implementation. I just have a module config file. And this is a module that will allow you to customize the prompt in CommandBox, kind of like the Z shell plugin called Bullet Train. And so listening to the pre-prompt interception point and overriding it to say I like spam, right? So the problem here is, how do I test this, right? I can't install this module into my local CommandBox installation yet because I haven't published this module to ForageBox. This is like brand new as of 10 minutes ago. So the easy way to do this now is with the package link command. This will create a symlink directly into your system modules folder, so you can pretend the module's installed and you can make changes and just reload the shell right away and test them out. So to show you how easy it is, I'm sitting here in the root of my CommandBox Bullet Train project. This is just the root of the module, right? And so I just run the package link command, and it creates that symlink into the shell, into the CommandBox system folder, reloads the shell, and as you can see, my new module's already kicked in, and my my CommandBox prompt now says I like spam. So if we take a quick look in Windows Explorer, you can see that in my system modules folder for CommandBox, there's a new symlink in here along with these other traditionally installed modules, which is a symlink that points to the CommandBox Bullet Train. So it's as though I've installed the Bullet Train module, but I haven't actually. It's important to note that if I do a list system, you won't see Bullet Train anywhere in here because it's not really been installed for real. With CommandBox, it's just a little kind of quick and dirty symlink. So I can make changes to my module. In fact, for the sake of example, I like bananas. You might feel that's more appropriate. And I can just run the reload command, alias is R, and you see my prompt now says I like bananas. So when I'm done testing this and I want to publish it to ForageBox and install it for real, we can undo what we've done and run package unlink. And that'll go ahead and remove that symlink, reload the shell, and now you can see I'm back to a standard shell. So this is a really quick and easy trick now whenever you're working on a local CommandBox module and you just want to be able to link it into that system modules folder, reload the shell, play around with live changes, and this prevents you from having to have two copies of the module, one that's the Git repo and one that you kind of copy and paste into your modules folder. Okay, well that's it. Have fun playing with that. Hopefully that will inspire some of you guys to work on some new CommandBox modules that you've been putting off because you weren't sure how to do it. Package link and unlink are the ticket. So have a good one, and I'll catch you next time.